Hi, this is Tutor Nick B, and this is quote 135. The quote today is another one from JFK. Remember, JFK stands for John F. Kennedy, president a long time ago. Here's the quote. The time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. Okay, let's look at the note. JFK is probably encouraging people to have foresight, to try to see into the future. To plan in advance, before time, and take care of any problems or issues that are in the foreseeable future before they get far worse. Yeah, so you should really be taking care of it now when it's not too bad, maybe when you can afford to do it, when the sun is shining, when it's easier to do it. He is encouraging one to be proactive, act now before the bad thing happens or before it gets to be too bad. Don't wait for a storm, troubles, problems, or the problems to strike before taking action. If you do wait for the storm to strike first, then you will have a real mess on your hands. You'll really be in a bad situation. So this is the way he was minded, to think about the future. Do it before time, nip it, and sometimes we say to nip something in the bud, to get rid of the problem before it becomes too big. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.